Yo guys, I'm XX Team or Tristan here, and today we are back with another Roblox video. And maybe you're thinking, Tristan, why are your awesome game War RPG is back? Or War RPG? Well, my retarded friend, let's just search his name up on Roblox. Radioactive Death. IT. Players. I'll just put them up at my friends. See the. Oh, by the way, this guy has an awesome game, and it is called Cube Cavern Recreated. It is right here. It's an awesome game. Go play it. Just go play it. It's a good game. So, okay, let's go to see all. Because he has, and I do know he has my friend. But I don't care, because he's rude to my mom. I would show you what he said to my mom, but I said something to him, actually. I think it should be, like, he shouldn't be far from here. I also think he blocked me too, so I mean. But I blocked him and unfriended him, so I mean. You gotta see what he said to my mom. He was really rude to my mom. Really rude to my mom. Actually, matter of fact, my friend. Oh, it went backwards. No. If you see radioactive death and I pass them, tell me what page it's on, okay? There he is. This guy used to be my friend. Used to be. Not anymore. Yep. And he's a noob. And I bet you, one of my friends kinda hate on me, but I don't care. He's actually really rude. I wish I could show you guys, but I want to be like a family, or like not. I want to show you what he said to my mom because he swore a lot. And to be honest, I did set an image that I should have sent. But besides all the hate and all that, let's get right into the video. And I don't know if it's in the middle of the video, but I have been playing a lot of World War II games. Right here. But today we are not playing that. I guess you don't know what we're gonna play today. I might just play Jailbreak because, you know, why not? No, I'm just gonna play Jailbreak. Like, why the heck not? I know. Let's just do it. So, I haven't played Jailbreak in a long time, and sorry if you hear my TV. My cousin is here. Yeah, I'm poor in this game. Well, we're gonna be a prisoner. Let's open up a case. No. I got diamond. I actually got diamond like maybe a couple days ago. I don't know. I think this girl. Dude, I didn't see anything. If you're asking one more time. What? Wait. What do you call? Call. Oh, he wants to run. Okay. Why is that so laggy? Okay. We got a key card. I just showed my key card to a cop. So I mean, Let's escape. Look how savage I am. This server like really laggy. Or at least for me, it's not. Yeah, camping cot. Well, I'm gonna keep that. Let's go! 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 Grab this. Grab this. Go! 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 Not. Not. Got a blast. No. Jailbreak, you need to fix this. There you go. Jailbreak, or the guy, Bad CC and Asimo. Asimo. I gotta be careful. Make him after me. And if we saw we gun them down. Oh, shoot. It's coming. Yeah, wait. Is this guy a god mode? I'm just really bad aimer. What? Are you kidding me? Why I don't play Jailbreak anymore? Jailbreak. I like you, Jailbreak, but you just... I've broken 4 mouses, 1 keyboard. That's right, I broke my mouse 4 times. I have like tons of mouses. So I broke 4 mouses, 1 keyboard, and yeah. Why I don't play Jailbreak anymore? That people wonder why. There. Today we might just play. I'm gonna show what Cube Cavern is. Cube Cavern is Minecraft and Roblox. Yeah. Sorry, like it's 74. But it's true. Honest opinion. But it is a fun game. I'm gonna admit. It's just I've been bad and he's banned me. Well, I'm not gonna get into that today. /G. Wait, no. /help. Oh. /CMDS. Okay. Gear? Where's gear? Gear. Item. /G. Super. Pack. Not. /G. Rainbow sword. It says I take it. Like I need. I think I might have to restart. But I mean, kind of stuff. But if you play this game, do not spawn in spinner C. It will ear rape, and it's really annoying. It's really loud. Sadly, like still, it means it gets really annoying. I do it to them too, so I mean, don't blame them. But this is a really fun game. I like it a lot. Look at me after. Look at that Dominus though. I could no clip around. Show you a bit of secrets. But it's only if you join his group. Yeah. To be honest, I'm kind of sad he doesn't play with me anymore. He doesn't play with me at all. So I mean, I know he wants. I know he likes Cube Cavern, but he never plays with me anymore. And it's kind of sad. That is his game. Go like it. Go favorite. Look at my visits. Well, those are basically from other people testing it. Plus him. Because I've tested this game like 454 times. Some of them were with other people. But they played and tested this game around that many times. don't think that many people have played it. No, it's usually the casual people that play. Which I don't know who it is. No, I'm not putting hate on Luigi74. He's a really good friend. Me and him are best friends. And yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Well, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I end this video, why don't you just go wait, one second. It's the way other YouTubers do. Go smash that subscribe button or whatever it is, and go like the video and comment down below, I have subscribed, and then you will become a team man. Because as you can see here, I've been getting a lot of viewers, and I just want to say thank you so much. Look at this, 36 views, 28 views. I'm back in business. If you look here, I went look here, I'm going down a lot. 6 views, 3 views, 12 views, 8 views, 6 views, 7 views. Now, if we go down to 2016, 17 near there, look at the views. I'm not trying to be like a bragger, like Logan Paul. Look how many, look how many guys you enjoyed these videos. More shoutouts, 40 views. Sorry I haven't uploaded. Yeah, that was a scam. Sorry guys. But look at this, 26. You guys are so supportive. You guys are 512 views. I said this in one of my videos, but if I hit 500 views, I will make a vlog, a cringy vlog, which I'm gonna do today. So stay tuned for a cringy vlog. Look, 25. That was a year ago. Let's see this. I'm sick. I was sick of this video. How cringy I was when I was 6. Cringy me. I was one of the most cringiest YouTubers you would ever think. Nobody would think I would have such a cringy YouTube channel. Hey! Surprise, surprise! I'm too lazy to put in music because I'm just lazy. Changing YouTube name hashtag 50th time. Sadly, that's true. I kind of hate to say it, but that's actually true. Let's see here. Sorry. Hashtag selfie, hashtag smile, hashtag teammate, and now you got to get free Roblox gift card. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hashtag selfie, hashtag smile, hashtag team. Oh yeah, guys, this is cringy. I can't stand more of this cringe, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and like this video and comment down below what I should do next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.